Welcome to Ezikan Academy, your trusted platform for professional accounting success. If you are preparing for ICAN November 2026 diet, this is the most important video you will watch today. The countdown has officially begun, and your journey to putting those shattered initials behind your name starts right now. In this video, I'm laying out our complete official virtual online lecture timetable. We have structured this schedule to give you maximum coverage of the syllabus while perfectly balancing your work and personal life. My contact is +234 8062479843 +234 8062479843. You may call or drop a WhatsApp message. Let's look at exactly how we are going to conquer this diet.
Oh yeah, Ezikan! Aha! My people, the future is calling your name to reach the top of this professional game. Join Ezikan's virtual class, make your dreams come true. ICAN November diet, we've got you, we've got you. Starting July 4th, success is waiting for you. Ezikan Academy!
Before you close this video, I have a quick challenge for you. Drop a comment with just two things: your level, foundation, skills, or professional, and the words "I am passing in one sitting." Let's see which level has the most committed students this diet. Subscribe, like this video, and let's go get those shattered initials. See you in the class.